Hello everyone, welcome my friend, to How to Draw channel, enjoy watching. Today we will make a pumpkin out of paper. For this we need craft paper, a thick sheet or cardboard, glue gun, scissors, toilet paper base, brush, and paint in which you want to paint the pumpkin. The first step, we take our paper and scissors and cut into strips about 1 to 2 centimeters wide. Next, from the resulting strips, using a glue gun, we glue the tips on both sides of the toilet paper base. Be careful when using the glue gun, as it is very hot, you can burn yourself, so try not to get glue on your exposed body. Also, if you don't have a glue gun, you can use regular glue, but then you will need more time to glue each paper strip.
A few moments later.
This is the intermediate stage we have. Now let's give it some color. I decided to use colors typical for pumpkin, but you can use any other color. This is the perfect place where you can fantasize and realize your most creative ideas. Next step, we take our craft paper. We need to make a tail for our pumpkin, but before that, we need to crumple our paper. This is necessary so that the tail for the pumpkin can be more easily twisted without glue, as well as to make it look more textured. The shape of the tail can be made absolutely any. I squeeze the paper at the edge and start in a circle, gradually layering it all the way to the end. I squeeze the paper at the edge and start layering it gradually in a circle until I am satisfied with the result. When the desired shape is obtained, insert our tail in the center of the pumpkin. In my case, I didn't even have to glue it, but if your tail doesn't hold, you can fix it with glue. And this is what I got. The next step is to color our tail. I chose the color ochre to give a more natural look. That's the beauty we got. The last step, I decided to add a small garland to give it a more cozy and beautiful look. What do you think of this result? Share in the comments. If yes, share your results, and we will be sure to note them in the next videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give us a like. Bye bye.